Welcome to my channel.
So yes guys, welcome to another episode with your girl Radical Fluffy Ice. And so today may I come with a different thing again. So today guys, every day we have been frying chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken and all kind of different style chicken, but we never really take the time out so we can do jerk fried chicken. This is the recipe guys. Look guys, today we're going to be doing some JFC, so it's the KFC, JFC, some Jamaican jerk fried chicken. Some jerk. I have used my traditional Jamaican jerks, using hot and spicy. I'm going to use some green seasons, some Maggie seasons, and so on. Alright guys, the recipe is listed down below in the description box. So this is jerk fried chicken. Nice rice and peas there on the stove, guys. Yes guys, remember to please like this video, share and subscribe if you like it. So yes guys, this is how it looks. So guys, me have a pinch of piece and taste it to see how it tastes. Guys, it tastes nice and also it tastes the pepper in it guys. This is the finishing looks guys.